The Lake County Health Department is investigating an active case of tuberculosis at Waukegan High School's Brookside campus.
School and health leaders say that they are taking steps to better protect the community and prevent further spread now. And WGN's Courtney Spinelli has more.
It's not clear whether the patient diagnosed with tuberculosis is a student or staff member. The letter sent home to families informing them of this went home Friday while they were on spring break.
I'm concerned about the children and the staff in the school.
Anita Hanna says when she first heard the news, the first thing she thought of was her granddaughter, who's a freshman. Without knowing more on the case, she says it's hard not to worry. The letter sent by school administrators saying students and staff identified as close contacts have already been notified. Quote, to respect their privacy, we will not be sharing any additional details.
We want them to get tested as quickly as possible so that we can identify any new cases and make sure that people get treated, prevent the spread of TB in the community.
The health department and school working together on this. They say the person with active tuberculosis or TB is isolating and being treated, while extra measures to clean the school and use enhanced filtration are also being followed.
So we're talking about people who have had long exposure with somebody, but being at school, being in a closed space for hours at a time, those are the folks that we're concerned about, and we want to make sure are protected.
TB is a respiratory infection that mainly affects the lungs. Dr. Ravi Javeri with Lurie Children's Hospital says they typically see patients coming from an international setting. That could mean traveling or being born in another country, but that's not always the case.
There are some cases where patients are here exclusively in the U.S. and we really don't know how and where they were exposed.
That's where their investigative skills get put to work. It's not clear when or how the patient in Waukegan picked up the infection or how sick they are. The incubation period is about 8 to 12 weeks. Javeri says symptoms aren't always the same for everyone. Latent TB does exist where a person is not contagious or showing symptoms, but in this case, the person has active TB. Both are treatable.
The clinical presentation can sometimes be sort of very classic tuberculosis pneumonia, but also sometimes patients may have more subtle symptoms that might last for weeks, months.
With the experience of healthcare professionals and known treatments, Javeri encourages people not to panic. It's a message Lake County officials also echo.
TB is a serious disease, but we see typically around 20 cases a year here in Lake County. So while it's really rare, we have experience identifying those cases.
The Lake County Health Department right now is hosting a virtual town hall for any families of staff or students here at the high school to ask questions or address any concerns they may have. In Waukegan, Courtney Spinelli, WGN News.